My name is Falk and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. In Lowcoder, we made the possibility that you can access apps of other people's on the marketplace. Marketplace is the idea to enable you to access the ideas and creations of others too if they share. And we encourage you, if you have an interesting app that you can think somebody else can make use of that, just share it. We already have a number of apps on our marketplace, and this is in the moment more related to technical functionalities, how I would do this and that in Lowcoder. We think when you have an e-commerce app and small ERP, small HR app, or something very unique, just share it if it is not private and sensitive, and make other users seeing and enabling the value that you have already created. Everyone can see and open these apps on the marketplace, regardless if you're admin or normal user. And from there, you have two options. You see now I'm on my local host private installation, and I have this app on the marketplace. I can just export the JSON from this app to my computer and load it into my own workspace via importing the application. If you have everything on Lowcoder.cloud, you can just directly duplicate the app in your own workspace. Also, we have an internal and an public global marketplace. The global marketplace is on app.lowcoder.cloud, but if you have a self-hosted installation, your own team or your company have an own local marketplace that you can allow public or only internal access. We hope you enjoy these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.